Hi there. We are going to do a quick tutorial on how to use Google Forms to create assessments, our quick exit tickets in the classroom. First, we're going to click on Google Chrome. We're going to go up to our apps button here. You're not going to see Forms right away. You have to scroll down a little bit and go to more. Typically, it sits here, but if you still don't see it, you can go to even more from Google. And there's other ways you can get there as well, but this is the easiest in my opinion. So I'm going to go to Google Forms. I'm going to select blank. In my form, I'm just going to put exit ticket example. And I'm going to then add my question here. So, what was the first step you used to solve the problem? Now, I don't want this to be a multiple choice, although it can be a multiple choice if you're checking for content. But I actually want this to be a short answer, which is going to limit the characters the student's allowed to enter. So I'm just going to do short answer here. If you have a more lengthy answer, you might select paragraph right here. And then you want to make the question required if it's an exit ticket. You don't want to necessarily make it optional. So really, that is it. When it's done, now you can make it fancy if you want. You could certainly change the purple to an image, and you can change the text. You can add images, and certainly you can add YouTube clips and things like that. But for a quick assessment, I wouldn't waste time necessarily making it look fancy. The idea behind creating the assessment is to get the information from your students so that you can use that information to form and drive your instruction for the following day or week. So when it's ready to go out, you click send right here. You can send via email to your students. You can put it on your classroom page with a link here if you want. And then once you're ready for it to send, you just click send right here. And it will go out to the necessary students that you want to send it. So that's pretty much it. Once the students have responded, you'll get responses right here. Now, we don't have any students that have responded yet, but the responses will be collected right here. It's very easy to find them and to look through them. Now, we're going to title our form exit ticket example. Remember to send it to the students that you want in your class to fill it out. And then if you want to visit it later, you can always go to your drive right here. And if I go to recent, I will see this exit ticket example here. So if you give your students about 15 or 5 minutes to fill it in and you go back into your exit ticket, your responses will be collected here. And we can further our knowledge on using forms too. You can actually even send the responses to a spreadsheet if you wanted to sort them or do anything else with them. I hope to see you using Google Forms. It's one of my favorite new tools that I actually had not used until this school year. So let me know if you have more questions or want to learn more. Thanks so much.